The 2009 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, power moonroof, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, cloth seat trim, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.